had to get out of bed for this intro. I was quite happy just lying there.
We're out of gas. No coffee, no breakfast, no scrambled tofu for you. Cold beans today.
We've known that our gas is running low for a long time. Our gas usually lasts 3 months, and this one's we've managed to stretch it out to 4 months. If anyone follows our Instagram, they know that before we left, we actually bought a refillable LPG gas tank or whatever for Europe.
Which is the smart thing to do.
Yeah, because we left it to the last minute, we didn't realise all the different parts we would need, so then when we ordered them, they weren't going to come until after our ferry. So we just made an executive decision to return it.
So a Keller gas lasts 3 months. We thought we were going to just be outside of the UK for 3 months, but as we know now that we've travelled down into Croatia, thankfully, alongside our 13 kilograms of gas that just ran out, we also brought a 6 kilo spare tank just for this occasion.
And then when the little one runs out, we're going to have another empty tank, and we're going to have to, at that point, figure out how to get European or whatever country we're in gas to work in our van. But that's a problem for 6 weeks from now.
Yeah, that's a problem for future selves. They can deal with that. Also, this is a good opportunity for us to show you like where we keep our gas and how it works, and just installing the little 6 kilo one. Come with us on this journey, guys.
Come with him. I'm going back to bed.
Firstly, I'll show you where we keep our backup tank. So bougie, we have a backup tank. Is it bougie, or is it because we know that we'll run out and then be like screwed?
Yeah, it's not bougie. It's 100% not having planned long term.
Yeah, we're future-proofing our negligence.
Mm-hmm.
Ta-da! It's really not well organised. That's definitely a topic for another video.
This is a little UK regulator for butane because we used an old 6 kilogram that was in my dad's garden and got it swapped out, so.
It's only 4.5 kilos.
Oh my word, I thought it was 6.
So it's gonna take us a month.
Oh, we're really gonna have to think about this more.
A lot of you guys mightn't have seen underneath our sink right now, but we've got 25 litres of fresh water and then a 25 litres of grey water behind it, and then our gas is in this back corner which is strapped in, and then this is just like a little crappy unit that I built just to store some stuff with like offcuts of wood that we had for the van build. Again, not organised. Also, you can see our pump that we have for our water and the little accumulator tank as well. But yes, this is where our gas is. Alright, partner.
So are you keeping that, or what are we?
What does that open close?
Don't open it. Just wait, like I don't need coffee.
Oh, she's well on truly done. So this is what we've got, Keely.
Take 2. I'm afraid. Oh no. Oh, it did it! It did it! A very small flame came out.
We have made fire. Yeah. Just gonna put this in here, and I've got another strap so I can strap it to the side. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave this strapped in there because it's safe and out of the way. And yeah, we'll just put a lot of stuff in there.
Pretty much, yeah. Let's get our coffee, and then we can show you guys this beautiful park up that we're in to celebrate.
Why does this look like the best coffee ever? Grab your coffee, my love.
I'm grabbing it, man, I'm grabbing it.
And just like splash it over your face. That needed to work because tensions are so high in this van right now.
Yeah, I think we might have killed each other if we didn't get a coffee in our hands.
Yeah, but thankfully it worked, and I'm feeling a lot better. You know, anxiety has kind of dwindled a little bit.
Yeah. We'll see you guys in 4 weeks when we really run out, and it happens at the worst possible time and we both kill each other, yeah?
Yeah, but at least it's postponed a little bit, right?
We're idiots. One more thing before we sign off, guys. This macrame plant hanger is still up for grabs. We're doing a giveaway. If you go... if you go check out our macrame video, I'll link it here wherever it is. All you have to do is throw a comment down and say why you would like it, and I will choose a random winner this Friday, and then I'll post it out to you guys.
I would like it to hang in my van.
We've got too many. I need to give it away. I can't keep having more plant hangers.
So true.
So yeah, go throw a comment on it. If you want to win it, I'll go send it to someone from Croatia with love. We'll even throw in a van sticker.
Oh, that sounds good. This is getting
a personalised note and all, you know.
More and more elaborate by the second. Anyway. Thanks so much.
For watching.
Can you stop? Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you tomorrow. Cheers.
Cheers.